Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever used Figma and found yourself wondering, how do I make my text bold? You're in the right place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to bold your text in Figma, and you'll even get a few tips to help your designs stand out. So let's jump straight into it. First off, you'll want to have some text already on your canvas in Figma. Maybe it's a headline, a button label, or even just a little note you've typed out. If you don't have any text yet, just grab the text tool from the toolbar. That's the icon that looks like a T, and click anywhere to start typing. But let's say you already have your text ready to go. Now click on that text layer with the selection tool. You'll notice that as soon as you click, the right-hand panel fills up with all sorts of text options. Make sure you're actually selecting the whole text layer, not just highlighting the text inside, because we want to change the style for the layer itself. Next, look over to the right and you'll see a section called Typography. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to styling your text in Figma. You'll see different controls: font family, size, letter spacing, and most importantly for today, the variable that controls how bold or light your text appears. Sometimes it's labeled as things like regular, medium, bold, or it might use numerical values like 400, 700, and so on, depending on the font you've picked. Go ahead and click on that drop-down menu. You'll probably see regular selected by default, meaning it's using a normal, unbolded weight. In the list that appears, just scroll through and choose bold. If you can't find bold, try looking for semi-bold, extra bold, or a higher number like 700 or above. Fonts are like flavors of ice cream. They all offer different options, and you might find that semi-bold looks just right for your particular design. Once you've chosen a bold style, you'll see your text instantly become thicker and more prominent right on the canvas. This simple change can make a huge difference when you want to draw attention to a headline, emphasize a call to action, or create a clear visual hierarchy in your layout. Don't be shy about trying different levels of boldness too. Sometimes a heavy or black weight is perfect for a big title, whereas medium or semi-bold can look cleaner for subtitles or buttons. Take a few moments to experiment. The great thing about Figma is that you can see the changes in real time. If the bold option looks too heavy or not bold enough, feel free to try other weights. Play around until it fits your design style. If your font doesn't support bold at all, don't worry. You can always switch to another font family that does. Figma comes loaded with tons of fonts to choose from, so you'll always have options. And that's it, pretty straightforward, right? Just select your text, head to the typography section, and pick the bold style you like best. It's an easy step, but it can make your design so much more impactful. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Got any questions about Figma text or want to share your favorite font to use? Drop a comment below. I love reading what you all are working on. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy Figma tips every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.